Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the upgrade process for your Lenovo Yoga 720-15 IKB, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. This will help prevent any electrostatic discharge that could harm your components. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, flip the device over and locate the screws securing the bottom cover. Using the Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, carefully remove the screws and place them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once removed, use a plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom cover. Work your way around the edges to avoid damaging the clips that hold the case together. After the cover is off, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the internal components, as this can help with performance and longevity. Now, locate the M.2 SSD slot. It's usually near the battery and is identifiable by a small, rectangular slot secured with a single screw. If your laptop has a stock SSD, remove that screw with your Phillips screwdriver. Gently pull the SSD out at a slight angle. Be cautious not to apply too much force. If you're upgrading to a new M.2 SSD, align it with the connector and insert it at the same angle. Once it's seated properly, press it down and secure it with the screw you previously removed. Make sure it's snug, but be careful not to over-tighten. At this point, if you don't have the right tools or prefer professional help, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't have to worry about calls or travel. You can get a quote before any repair is done, ensuring you're informed every step of the way. After securing the SSD, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the bottom cover back on, ensuring that all clips are aligned properly. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely, but again, be careful not to over-tighten as this can strip the threads. Finally, flip your laptop back over and reconnect it to power. Power it on and enter the BIOS by pressing the appropriate key during startup, usually F1 or F2. Here, you can check if the new SSD is recognized. If it is, you're all set to install your operating system or transfer data from your old drive. In summary, upgrading your Lenovo Yoga 720-15 IKB with an M.2 SSD can significantly enhance performance. With the right tools and steps, this process can be straightforward. And if you ever feel unsure, remember our services are here to help you. Whether it's a simple pickup and delivery at your home or a quote before repair, we make it easy for you. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.